Should we teach kids about different religions? Oh my God, of course, yes. Why? The base of every religion is the same. The teachings of every religion at a core, at a fundamental level is the same. What is the fundamental core of every religion? Every religion says, be a good person. Every religion says, be a happy person. And every religion says, be a contributor. In other words, help other people. I would love to sit and talk with my children about how Hinduism speaks about being happy, being good, and being contributor. And then give them examples about how Islam speaks about being happy, being good, and being a contributor. And then about how Christianity speaks about being happy, being good, being a contributor. And give them a homework. Find out how Sikhism, how Zoroastrianism, how Buddhism, how Jainism also speak about being happy, being good, and being a contributor. In other words, let my kids never fight in the name of religion. Let my kids never enter into a war because somebody else belongs to some other religion. Let my kids not have a superiority complex of belonging to a religion. Let them never move into justification of why one religion is better than the other. Let them treat religion like mother. My mother's name is Rama, and the way she has nurtured me is extraordinary. The way she has cared for me is extraordinary. And I owe so much of my life to my mother. I have a colleague of mine at office. His name is Jasmeet. Now, Jasmeet Singh is a Sardar, Punjabi. His mother has nurtured him extraordinarily well. His father passed away at a young age, and mother has nurtured 3 sons brilliantly well. Now, here is the thing. His mother is right for him, perfect for him. My mother is right for me, perfect for me. Now, here is another thing. When I go to Jasmeet's house, I bow down at the feet of his mother. I take her blessings, and she nurtures me too. She says, बेटा ये दाल मखनी खा, अरे रोटी में थोड़ा और घी लगा के खा, अरे तुम लोग कितने कमजोर हो गए, थोड़ा अच्छे से खाओ, थोड़ा और खाओ, अरे ये पनीर चलेगा. And I would say, मम्मी पेट भर गया, अरे थोड़ा और जाएगा, तुम जवानी तो अभी तुम नहीं खाओगे, अभी नहीं खाओगे तो कब खाओगे? And I have a great time at Jasmeet's house, come back feeling blessed and nurtured by Jasmeet's mother. When Jasmeet comes home and meets my mother, he has kind of similar experience. He goes back home nurtured by my mother. This is how religion is. My mother nurtures me for a lifetime, but when I go to somebody who follows another religion, I also get nurtured over there. I learn from there. I get enhanced. I become a better human being. There is no competition. There is collaboration. There is joy. There is togetherness. Teach your children about religion. Teach them what religion stands for. Teach them how to get the best out of people who belong to another religion. Learn from them. And ultimately, those 3 things is the objective. Be good, be happy, and be a contributor. Any path. But get these 3, do these 3, and you will live a beautiful life. Our kids should know religion is meant to bind us. It is not supposed to break us. It is supposed to join us. It is not supposed to divide us. As parents, we must teach this to our children. Will you? Wish you all the best and love you so much.